Welcome to a transformative journey towards a healthier you in 2024. In this video, we'll explore the science-backed Mediterranean diet, a lifestyle that goes beyond mere eating habits. In 2024, forget traditional diets and embrace the Mediterranean lifestyle, a renowned approach to wellness backed by peer-reviewed studies. Let's dive into the delicious and nutritious world of Mediterranean cuisine. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle that promotes communal meals and emphasizes fresh, whole foods. Nutritionists have hailed it as the best diet for 6 consecutive years. Start with whole grains, opt for whole wheat bread, brown rice, and ancient grains like quinoa. These choices battle diabetes and aid in weight management. Diversify your protein sources, try lentils, beans, and chickpeas. Limit meat intake and explore plant-based alternatives for a balanced diet. Incorporate fatty fish like salmon twice a week. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish lower your risk of heart disease. Choose varieties with lower mercury levels. Revamp your desserts, embrace Mediterranean-style sweets, opt for seasonal fruits, poached pears, grilled pineapple, or creative sorbets for a guilt-free indulgence. Embrace joyful movement and socialize. The Mediterranean lifestyle is about more than just food. It's about mindfulness, joyful activities, and meaningful connections. As we step into 2024, let's make a commitment to a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. Embrace the Mediterranean way, savoring each bite, enjoying the company of loved ones, and prioritizing your well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a better you. Subscribe for more health and lifestyle tips. Wishing you a happy and healthy 2024. Stay tuned for more from CNN, your guide to a life but better.